How's it going, everybody? This is Sandra Wright, and today on this video I'm going to talk about internet marketing. Internet marketing, or some people call it online marketing, is the process of promoting a product or service, or to brand yourself. And these days people are looking for other ways to earn income other than a job. As we see today, people are going through furlough because of the government shutdown. So what some people are doing now is either they're looking for another job or they're looking for a way to make money online. And there is a process to it. You can join a company and you'll get a website, and you have a link and everything, but you need a way to send traffic to that website. So there are several steps to the online marketing platform. There's different ways to learn how to market. You can use social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, do videos on YouTube, Instagram, or write a blog. So there are a number of ways to get started in the online or internet marketing business, and it's really a really great way to earn an income. So it's like you're learning something new, so you want to learn strategies and how to get people to buy your product or service, and also for people to get to like you and to know you, so that you can build a relationship, so that you can have an online presence, and that way that allows people to trust you and learn from you. So I'm in the online marketing space, and I'm still learning, and what I've learned through this process is you have to be consistent. If you go through a daily plan of action every day, you will get results. And in some cases, you might need a mentor to show you the right steps to take to get your business or brand off the floor. So I just wanted to give you some little tips today on getting started in internet marketing. And on my channel, this is what I plan to do, is to give value to people who are looking for a way to earn extra income or a full-time. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like more videos from my channel, click the bell, and I will be doing, as I said, more videos with value to help you on your internet journey. Thanks for watching again. Take care.